How to install Widgetable sleep widget. So here's Widgetable app. So just make sure to update the app to the latest version. And then you just tap get sleep widget. You need to add your friends. You need to have friends here. So share your invite code, but also like friends need to add you here. And then you select friend and you just, for example, add in friend. And again, friend also needs to add you in this widget to work. You select theme, enter your data, sleep goal, and then when to sleep. But then also you need to connect your Apple Health here. I already did it. So just basically how you do it. And yes, that's how you connect it. It can be a bit buggy because you also need to go and enable sleep mode in Apple Health app. So here's Apple Health app. You go sleep and then you enter your sleep schedules here. So you just enter all of the details and then it can start to work. And then you just save it here, save your widget. It will be available in the Mine button in top right. Basically, this is what you will see here. You will see your sleep excellent or poor, and then that's just what you will see, how your sleep was, and that's basically the idea. Then you can you can also see some. You can see some new widgets like excellent sleep widgets. If this is also if you install sleep, then you can see like what's your sleep on which days and something like that. So then you just go in and then just tap and hold and then just tap plus and then just search for Widgetable and then just install this widget like that. And then just tap and hold and then edit widget and then choose widget style. And here you just select your friend's sleep widget. And that's what it is. Unfortunately, it can be a bit buggy. Again, just double check that you correctly connected your Health app and you have sleep tracking already in your Apple Health app.